Hello everyone, welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations. In today's video, I am going to do a look. But before I start, I just want to show you a couple of the palettes I'll be pulling stuff from. These are just some of my palettes, and I'm going to use the shade that is least used or talked about. There is at least one of this shade in these palettes, and it's a lot of palettes I have with that shade in. That's just some of them. The rest of the palettes are here, and they each have a shade in the color I'm talking about. If you want to see what shade I'm talking about, keep watching because I'm going to create a look with that shade. I already have my base on, and my base is MAC Studio Fix Plus Powder Foundation, and I'm in the shade NW45. This is the old formula. I have a video with the new formula. I'll put that in the cards. Go check it out and see what I think about it. But this is the old formula on. And for the base that is on my eyes, it is the MAC Paint Pot. This is the shade right here. I can't tell the name. I don't have my glasses. I will put the name on the screen for you. Now, the shade I am talking about, and a lot of people don't really like using it, I guess, or they use it and they don't talk about it. And it comes in many variations. And I'll show you, and I'll put pictures of it so you can see the different shades and variation that gray comes in. And I am talking about the shade gray, the color gray. I have gray on today in a shade, and this is gray right here. I'm going to use that as my main color, and then I will put a gray shimmer over it. So let us do gray, because gray comes in many variations. Sometimes it looks a little darker than gray, but it's not black. It is just a dark gray, light gray, swampy gray, all different shades of grays. And I have a large variation, and that will come in each video. I'll show you the shade of gray I am using, and I might just do one color, or I might just do a variation of grays. So this is what the base of the first matte gray looks like. Gray is a nice shade. You can use it as a transition color. You can use it as your main shade. You can mix it up with so many other colors to make it look beautiful. But I don't see too many people talk about gray. I love gray. I love all colors. When you look at it, I can make any color become something else on my eyes. My eyes, my face is my canvas, and I just create things I love. It might not be for everybody, but it is my canvas, and my canvas is beautiful. I want you to make your canvas very beautiful. This is the gray. This is the gray. Gray. That alone is a look. That alone is a look. My brows today is my Black Revolution pencil. It's getting down there. I like a black brow. When I do a black brow, it doesn't age me. It lifts my face up. When I do brown, my face seems to be dead. When I do black, for some reason, it just works for me. It might not work for everybody else, but black eyeliner, eyebrow, or lips works for me very good. So choose what works for you and make it happy and nice and exciting. Today's I am came from the comments, and please listen to the I ams. Don't skip over them. They are very, very important for our daily lives, because that I am might just reach you at the time that you really, really need it. So please don't skip over the I ams. I appreciate every time you watch my videos, and please comment and let me know what I ams that are helping you. And you can also put one in the comments because it will help me and somebody else. Today's I am say, I try daily to do better than I did yesterday because I am a work in progress. I try daily to do better than I did yesterday because I am a work in progress. The next gray I am going to use is coming from the box of crayons, and it is this gray right here. It's a shimmer. I'm going to put that on my lids. Today's I am is so beautiful to remind us not to be so hard on ourselves. We try daily to be better than we were yesterday because we are a work in progress. We are a work in progress. Every day we get the opportunity to do something different and better is a work in progress. Life journey never ends. If we are alive, our journey continues. Do not give up on yourself. Never, ever. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Do not dim your light for another. We are all on different paths in this life journey. See how pretty the shimmer is? Take a look. This is the one with the shimmer. This one does not have shimmer. And either one can be a look. Either one can be a look. Life is a continuous journey. I am a work in progress. You are a work in progress. Somebody else is a work in progress. Our work in progress doesn't look the same because we are all different. But don't give up. Do not give up. The journey is hard sometimes. The journey is long sometimes. Does not look like there is any end to the pain and suffering sometimes. But don't give up. Do not. Because when you stay on that journey, different things will shift for you and you will see things differently. I'm going to take this blue liner by Ulta. It's an Ulta brand, and I'm going to line my top lashes. Let's see if I can do it in this mirror. I can always fix it in another magnified mirror. But we were always taught that when you see gray clouds in the sky, it's going to rain. Sometimes there are gray clouds and I don't see any rain. But that was how we were taught. If there were gray skies, look ready for bad weather. I hope that's not why gray is not mentioned much or not used much. But I'm going to do a look for the next couple months with each palette that has a gray in it. I'll mix it up with other colors, but I will have gray in each and every eye look coming up until I use each and every palette that has a gray in my collection. So we'll have a lot of grays coming up, but I'll make it fun, colorful, and enjoyable. Today's look is complete. with gray. I use 2 shades of gray, 1 shimmer, 1 matte. The matte came from Beauty Bay Brights. The shimmer came from Box of Crayons. I use the blush, this blush right here, from this Wonder Beauty face palette. I use this bronzer right here from the Kera Beauty palette, this one right here. That's what I have on my face. They are not maybe showing as bright as they should on my skin tone, but that's what I have. The lip color I have is by Wet n Wild. I don't know if they still make these lipstick anymore. Join me on the journey of doing the shade, the color gray. Gray will be included in the next how many palettes I have left with grays, and I will do a different palette and I'll mix it up with maybe another palette because I need to at least have a 2 color or a 1 shade eyeshadow look. Thank you all again for watching. This is my keratin hair. It's just blow dry. I didn't iron it this time. I went to the hairdresser for a trim and then just blow dried it. This is it. It's more manageable now. If you haven't seen that video, it's up on YouTube. Go check it out, how I did a keratin treatment to manage my natural hair. This look is lit. It's glam. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Don't be afraid of grays. Take your palettes out that have grays and play with them. Mix them up. They're all different shades of grays. So have fun and enjoy. And I will see you in the next video. Please share this video with someone else who might want to see makeup and motivation and encouraging words. Bye bye.